How can K and D be false, but K and D.Keys be true? I have some Python code that's throwing a key error exception. So far I haven't been able to reproduce outside of the operating environment, so I can't post a reduced test case here. The code that's raising the exception is iterating through a loop like this. The del K line throws the exception. I've added a try/except clause around it and have been able to determine that K in D is false, but K in D.Keys is true. The keys of D are bound methods of old-style class instances. The class implements _SMP_ and _hash_, so that's where I've been focusing my attention.
K and D.Keys will test equality iteratively for each key, while K and D uses _hash_, so your _hash_ may be broken, i.e. it returns different hashes for objects that compare equal.
Simple example of what's broken, for interest.
Don't delete items in D while iterating over it. Store the keys you want to delete in a list and delete them in another loop.
무엇이 부르자